Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. It's Sugar here, and in this video we're going to be doing Luvme Hair. So I'm going to quickly go through the contents of the box with you guys really quickly. As you can see, you get the wig itself. It also comes with a dust bag, and it comes with a nice bonnet that you can tie on. Super cute. They also give you a melt belt. It's like one of those silk ones. It's not the elastic type. You get 2 wig caps and an edge and comb brush. Moving right along to the hair, this is a 13 by 5 deep wave wig. I think this is 26 inches. This is how it looks, and inside you get that 13 by 5 like I said. You get 3 combs in the top, 1 in the back, and the glueless band and wig grip in the back. Okay, this is how the lace looks and the knots. This is pre-bleach, pre-plucked with pre-cut lace, and their lace is always so good. So now we're going to move into the installation of this. I just take a cream foundation that is my shade or darker. I say go darker if you contour your face, but if you're going to be like makeup free, definitely go with your skin tone. And I'm just going to rub that all over the inside of the frontal so you get it like this. And this is what it looks like on. As you can see, the lace is so freaking good. You can't even tell. I didn't have to cut the lace or anything, but I did run into an issue. So this is a 13 by 5, so it should go ear to ear, but my issue was it wasn't going past my edges on both sides. So I just roll with the punches. This is a great example if you already have a wig and you're stuck with it and you still need to install it. I'm just going in with my bedhead hardhead hairspray to lay this wig down and melt it. And I decided, I was like I said, just go with the flow, let it fall where it was going to fall. And then I was going to take out the edges right below, as you can see, so that it all becomes one and I still get that 13 by 5 effect. So now I'm just going to spray the spray right around those ear tabs that are coming up short, because I still want them to lay down and be melted. And then I'm going to hit it with the blow dryer. Just make sure they're really pressed down. I just want it to look really seamless. I don't want you to see where the wig stops and my hair starts. So now I've blow dried it enough where it's getting tacky and it's almost dry. I'm going to tie it down now to get that really good melt. And I'm going to hit it again with the blow dryer until it's fully dry. So this is what we got. Again, their lace is so freaking good. You can't even see it. And I'm just going to tap around my hairline with the same brush I used for my cap and my frontal, just to further blend everything together. And I kept this really simple. I didn't do anything. I just fluffed it out with my fingers because I wasn't feeling like a wet look or necessarily like super defined. I've been really into like messy curls, so I just used my fingers to separate the curls, to fluff it out, make it fuller. And she's really ready to go. Like, there's nothing wrong with this wig. I really actually like it. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. So I definitely don't think it's big head friendly. But as you can see, I still made it work and it came out fantastic. I didn't even do baby hairs with this wig. Honestly, that's when you know that the lace is magnificent, because you can just do no baby hair and not feel any type of way about it. They're one of my favorite companies when it comes to lace and hair quality. I have a wig from them that I got like 3 years ago and it's still rocking. So this is a really good company. I'm just going to touch the top with the hot comb just a little bit. You really don't have to do this. Kind of wish I hadn't did it, but it's okay. You can still do it. Some people prefer to. I think it just really depends. I think I'm just so programmed to hitting the top of the wig with the hot comb and I need to start assessing, but I think it did help with the hairline and everything. It didn't look crazy, so I'm okay with it. I did end up going in with a little styling foam in the top to kind of like mold it around the top of my head, because again, I'm just programmed like I want the wig to be as close to my head as possible, but with curly hair like this, you really don't have to. But I'm all finished. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the hairline and how my hair looks next to the wig, even though it's not laid down full 13 by 5. It just looks so freaking good. I really love this. Super lightweight. Like, this hair was super lightweight. And just look at the hairline. I love it. They did really good on this wig. Again, I just wish it was bigger. But you're definitely not gonna clock her. I know that. But yes, I love you guys. Until next time, stay sweet.